If you are the parent to a child who's over the age of 18, I really need you to stop and listen to me. Anything can happen to your child and anything can happen to you. You need a power of attorney for them, and if you trust them, they need a power of attorney for you. Let's talk about it. Hey girlies, my name is Jaira. I am a full-time attorney and entrepreneur, full-time fashion girly, so let's get into this. So this video came up on my TL today, and she was talking about how her 25-year-old son, something happened to him and he became incapacitated. And how, yes, because she's his mom, she was able to make some decisions for him and do certain things. But she's in Florida, she paid $5,000 for a guardianship of him to be able to handle his bank accounts and more, medical decisions and all of that type of stuff. I am constantly telling clients and prospective clients that they need this. They do not believe me until something happens, and then they have to pay me even more money to handle a guardianship when we could have just handled drafting a power of attorney. And yes, I do this work. I do guardianships. I do wills and trusts, which includes powers of attorney. I do probate, which is after someone has passed away. So I handle all of the phases of these issues. And what I am telling you is that no one ever thinks anything is going to happen to them until it happens to them. And for the person that's sick, and then for the person that is trying to help them when they are sick, you are 10 times out of 10 setting yourself up for success if you get some sort of power of attorney in place and some sort of estate plan in place. And what people misunderstand is that now we have more like cars on the road, we have more things that happen. There is a very high likelihood that you can be incapacitated in some form or fashion at some point in your life. Like, think about it. Even if you go into some sort of surgery, you are incapacitated for at least the time of the surgery, right? So you and everyone you know needs to consider this. And so all I'm saying is that if you have a young person who is your child, right? Like I'm 28, I'm my parents' kid, they would be my powers of attorney, because if anything ever happened to me, they would take care of me. And I know that because they already took care of me. And then on the other hand, if you trust your child, they need to be your power of attorney too, because anything can happen to you as the parent. But I am a Texas attorney. This is what I do. So let me know if you have questions in the comments.